Hi, my name is Nonilam from Group 3 Forensic Chemistry. Today I will be presenting our group assignment analysis of evidence. Our group is doing hair analysis topic. So these are my group members. Me, Nonilam, Nur Shabrina, Nur Shafiqah, Nurul Shamiza, and Shamira. Introduction. Human hair, physical evidence. Human hair is one of the most commonly discovered pieces of physical evidence at a crime scene. This evidence can be used to prove a link between the offender and the crime he or she committed. Hair is classified as class evidence in forensic investigation because it lacks sufficient distinctive and unique characteristics to link a strand of evidence hair to a single individual with high probability. This is due to the fact that a single strand of evidence hair cannot be used to positively identify an individual. This is shown in figure 3 anatomical parts that make up a hair, which are cuticle, the cortex, and sometimes medulla. Genes. Important role. Genes play an important role in determining both the shape and texture of the hair, round or oval, curly or straight. For identifying and comparing the microscopic properties of hair, the comparison microscope was thought to be the only accurate tool. The following information may be revealed by a microscope examination: the part of the body where the hair grew, the race of the hair's owner. Microscopy is unable to determine the age or gender of the hair's owner. Next, structural features. Forensic laboratories have traditionally used optical microscopy, scanning electron microscopy, SEM, atomic force microscopy, and optical coherence tomography to examine the structural features of human hairs. Evidence analysis process. First, sample preparations. Second, observation under scanning electron microscope. And we're also doing group discussion via WebEx platform. These figures show the comparison of cuticle scale of hair from various sources under SEM. Figures 1A and 1B show the first evidence, which was examined using a scanning electron microscope at a magnification of about 500 times. We can deduce that the evidence came from human hair by comparing figures 1A and 1B to the first figure. Cuticle scales in animal hair are rough and serrated, whereas cuticle scales in human hair are smooth. According to our observation, the evidence pattern of cuticle scales overlaps smoothly, matching the cuticle scale of human hair shown in the first figure. Furthermore, the hair in figure 1 has a ragged edge and a sharp corner, indicating that it was cut with scissors. The cuticle and cortex layers of the hair were exposed when observed under the scanning electron microscope. We are unable to examine the presence of the medulla layer and the shape of the cross-section of the hair because the cross-section of the evidence is not in a good orientation for observation. As a result, we are unable to determine the hair texture, whether it is straight or curly. The second evidence also was analyzed using a SEM at a magnification of 500 times. The evidence came from human hair, which has smooth cuticle scales according to the observation. The cortex layer of the hair in the evidence, on the other hand, is exposed because the cuticle layer has been opened up. In addition, the cortex has a bubble appearance of rounded follicles and a fiber-like structure. As a result, we can deduce that the hair has been severely burned. The degree of burn cannot be determined in any way. Lastly, conclusion. In conclusion, Both evidence showed difference in structure under SEM, but then both physical appearance shows no difference. From the hair sample, we can learn the source of the hair and how the hair get removed or damaged. We also can conclude that sample 1 is cut hair, sample 2 is burnt hair, based on SEM. Next, error and precaution during sample preparation step. In order to get a more accurate result, the error in the preparation of the sample should be minimized. That's it for the hair analysis presentation. Thank you.